dancing kernels. So Haley and I have actually tried this experiment before, and we found that sometimes it works really well and sometimes it doesn't. So I'm going to be doing my experiment with candy worms, and Haley's going to be doing her experiment with popcorn kernels, and we'll see if there's a difference. So what we're going to need today is water, and in clear jar or clear glass, about 3/4 of the way full. We're going to need baking soda, 2 to 4 tablespoons. And we're going to need vinegar. We're going to need some stir sticks or a spoon, and of course your candy or your popcorn kernels. So let's get started. So the first thing we're going to do is take our jar or a glass of water, and we're going to add our baking soda. So again, this is 2 to 4 tablespoons, and this is part of the fun of science. There's lots of variables and things that can change. So you're going to add at least 2 tablespoons, and you're going to mix it up until your baking soda is dissolved. So I'm going to put in 3 tablespoons to start, approximately. And we can always add more baking soda if we need to. So this is the part where we have to be really patient, because sometimes it takes a while for things to dissolve and get mixed in. Haley's is looking pretty good. She put in, I think, only 2 tablespoons. I'm going to live on the edge here, and I'm going to go ahead and add my 4th tablespoon of baking soda.
I think I'm going to go for 3. Now that it's all dissolved.
And then you just keep mixing away here, stirring. The great things about these experiments is that you're going to find most of these supplies in your kitchen already, probably. Baking soda is in a lot of baking. If you're making cookies or anything like that at home, you probably have a lot of this stuff already at your house. Okay, so are we ready to add our candy, do you think, Haley?
I don't know, actually. Yours is looking a bit more like milk than water.
It's true. But maybe that means that my worms are really going to dance.
Maybe.
Well, I guess we should give it a try and we'll see what happens. And we can always try again if it doesn't work this time. So I'm going to add some gummy bears, and I also have sour candy worms. And mine are cut up into tiny pieces. So the smaller the piece of candy, the better it's going to dance. And Haley's going to use just some regular traditional popcorn kernels. So we're going to put our candy into our jar. Put a couple pieces into mine.
Put about 2 tablespoons into mine.
And the next thing we're going to do is add our vinegar. Here we go. Whoa.
You need to pour very slowly.
Maybe I shouldn't have added that 4th tablespoon.
Or you'll get a volcanic reaction such as mine.
You can see one of my gummy worms here starting to come up a little bit. It's trying to dance.
Oh, he's trying.
They're trying. Maybe we needed a bigger jar. So we hope everyone at home is learning from our mistakes. Oh,
There he goes. Oh, and the gummy bear's going.
and Haley's
The
popcorn kernels.
kernels are dancing. So what's happening here is called an acidic reaction. The vinegar is an acidic acid, and the baking soda or sodium bicarbonate, when they mix together, they create a chemical reaction which makes carbon dioxide. And this forms gas bubbles, which forces the little kernels or candy to move up and down, making a wriggle formation. Oh, there the gummy bears are going. Oh, and some worms. Dancing away.